On-wall installation instructions. Begin by defining the location on the wall where you want to hang your wine cabinet. For the best aesthetics and functionality, we recommend having the top of the cabinet between 74 and 78 inches off the floor. Keep in mind, the mounting plate sits about 4 inches below the top of the cabinet, so you'll want to attach the mounting plate about 4 inches below your chosen top height. Use a tape measure to mark the desired height of the mounting plate on the wall. Then, using a level, draw a straight horizontal line across the wall. This line will be your guide for mounting the plate. Mark the center of this line. This will be the horizontal center of the wine cabinet location. Now, take a stud finder and locate the nearest wall stud near the center of your line. To confirm the stud's location, drive a small nail into the wall. Try and find the edge of the stud. Then measure 3/4 of an inch inward to find its center. Standard wall studs are about 1.5 inches wide. Once you've found the center of at least one stud, line up the mounting plate along your level line. Drive the provided screws through the mounting plate and into at least 2 wall studs to ensure a secure hold. Before hanging the cabinet, remove the cabinet door by pulling back on the tabs on all 3 hinges. This makes the cabinet lighter and easier to handle. With a partner's help, lift the cabinet onto the wall. Position the metal clips on the back of the cabinet above the installed mounting plate. While pressing the cabinet gently against the wall, slowly let the cabinet slide down until you feel it lock into place on the mounting plate. To confirm it's secure, stand on either side, hold the bottom of the cabinet, and pull gently away from the wall. If properly installed, the cabinet will stay in place. Reattach the door by lining up all the hinges and pushing them back into place. Now you're ready to load your wine. Place each bottle onto the supports with the corks facing left or right. Let the wine rest and enjoy your perfectly mounted cabinet.